If you're wondering how to add a carousel to your next LinkedIn post, I've got you covered. In today's quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a carousel to your LinkedIn post so that you can have people swipe through multiple graphics on your next LinkedIn post. It's going to be a quick and easy tutorial, so if you are ready, click that like button and let's get straight to it. So I'm going to start out at canva.com. Canva is a really easy place for you to create graphics, and especially for creating the kind of carousels that we want for our LinkedIn post. So you can create a free account and you can choose whichever format you prefer for this type of post. So I like to go for Instagram post size, which is 1080 by 1350. But again, any sort of graphic size you can utilize to create this. This is not the most important section with the carousel. The most important part is that you have a graphic that you can use with multiple slides. So here's one that I created on the tools that I use every day. So I have about, 11 pages of different tools that I'm sharing with my audience. So here's the most important step to make sure that you have the carousel. You need to upload onto LinkedIn a PDF version of what you want to upload. Because if you simply upload the images, say you select 10 images on LinkedIn, they're simply going to show up as 10 images and you are not going to have the carousel effect. So I'm inside of Canva. I am going to download this graphic, and instead of doing PNG, I am going to switch it to PDF standard, best for documents and emailing. I'm then going to download this file. Now that it's downloaded, let's head into LinkedIn to upload the carousel. So remember, PDF is key. So now that I'm inside of LinkedIn, I have my PDF document with multiple pages. I'm going to start a post. I'm going to click the More button, scroll all the way right to add a document, and then I'm going to choose the file that I just downloaded. I have it uploading now, and it says to add a document title. Now you can see it says I have 11 pages that I have uploaded as a PDF. I can then click through to see that this is going to upload as a carousel, which is what we want. So I'm going to click done. You can also preview it again here. And this is really simply how you add a carousel onto LinkedIn. You can then post it and you will see your carousel from there. Here is an example of another carousel that I created on LinkedIn. You will see that it is a PDF, 7 pages, and people are able to easily click through like they would a carousel on, say, Instagram or Facebook. And it's the exact same process that we followed. The key to uploading carousels on LinkedIn is that you need your files to be in PDF format. So you'll download them in pages instead of PNG or JPEG format, which is usually how images are downloaded and saved. So once you convert your graphics into PDF, you can then upload them using the document feature on LinkedIn so that you can have amazing carousels to share with your audience. And there you have it. That was my quick and easy tutorial on how to upload carousels onto LinkedIn. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel for more quick and easy LinkedIn tutorials. You don't want to miss a beat. I will see you on the other side. Bye for now.